Are you tired of juggling stacks of bills, remembering due dates, and scrounging for stamps? Do you ever wish there was a simpler, more efficient way to manage your monthly expenses from the palm of your hand? What if I told you that with Patriot Bank, that convenience isn't just a dream, but a readily available reality through their mobile bill pay service? In today's fast-paced world, managing finances can often feel like an uphill battle. Between work, family, and personal commitments, finding time to sit down, write checks, address envelopes, and mail out payments can be a significant chore. Then there's the nagging worry: did I send it on time? Did it get lost in the mail? What if I miss a payment and incur a late fee, or worse, damage my credit score? These are valid concerns that weigh on the minds of countless individuals. The traditional bill-paying method, while once the norm, is increasingly becoming a relic of a bygone era. It's time-consuming, prone to human error, and frankly, a bit of a hassle. But here's where modern banking technology steps in to offer a much-needed solution: mobile bill pay. Imagine a world where all your bills are organized in one secure place, accessible anytime, anywhere, with just a few taps on your smartphone. No more stamps, no more envelopes, no more frantic searches for your checkbook. This isn't science fiction, it's the power of mobile banking, and Patriot Bank is at the forefront of providing this incredibly convenient service to its customers. Patriot Bank's mobile bill pay is designed to simplify your financial life, giving you more control and peace of mind. It integrates seamlessly into their existing mobile banking app, which means if you're already a Patriot Bank customer and use their mobile app for other banking needs, you're already halfway there. If not, don't worry, getting set up is straightforward. So, how exactly does mobile bill pay with Patriot Bank work? Let's break it down, step by step, and explore all the incredible benefits it offers. The journey begins, as with most things in the digital age, with the Patriot Bank mobile app. If you haven't already, your first step is to download the official Patriot Bank mobile app from your device's App Store, whether that's the Apple App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Once downloaded and installed, you'll need to log in using your existing Patriot Bank online banking credentials. If you're new to online banking with Patriot Bank, you'll typically go through a simple enrollment process, which usually involves providing some personal information to verify your identity and setting up your username and password. This is a secure process designed to protect your financial information. Once you're logged into the app, you'll typically find a clear and intuitive navigation menu. Look for an option related to bill pay or payments. This is your gateway to simplifying your bill management. Now, let's talk about adding your payees, the companies or individuals you need to pay. Patriot Bank's mobile bill pay system is incredibly intelligent. Often, when you start typing the name of a common biller, like your utility company, internet provider, or credit card issuer, the system will automatically suggest the correct payee information. This saves you time and reduces the chance of errors. If, for some reason, a biller doesn't pop up automatically, the app allows you to manually add payee details, including their name, address, and your account number with them. It's a very flexible system designed to accommodate virtually any bill you need to pay. Once your payees are set up, scheduling a payment is a breeze. You simply select the biller you want to pay, enter the amount, and choose the payment date. This is where the true power of mobile bill pay shines. You can schedule one-time payments for immediate needs, or, and this is a game changer for many, set up recurring payments. Imagine never having to worry about your rent, mortgage, car payment, or insurance premium being late again. You can set it and forget it, knowing that Patriot Bank will securely process your payments on the scheduled dates. One crucial detail to keep in mind, and this applies to all bill pay services, is to allow sufficient processing time. While mobile bill pay is incredibly fast, it's not always instantaneous, especially for payments being sent to external institutions. Patriot Bank typically recommends allowing a certain number of business days for payments to be delivered. This lead time is usually clearly communicated within the app or in their online banking FAQs. For instance, they might suggest scheduling payments 7 to 10 days before the due date to ensure timely arrival and avoid any late fees. This is a small but important detail that ensures your financial peace of mind. Beyond the sheer convenience, there are several compelling advantages to using Patriot Bank's mobile bill pay. First and foremost is time savings. Think about the hours you spend each month dealing with physical bills. Mobile bill pay liberates that time, allowing you to focus on more important things in your life. Whether you're commuting, waiting in line, or simply relaxing at home, you can manage your bills in minutes, not hours. Next, consider the cost savings. No more buying stamps, envelopes, or even checks. While these individual costs may seem small, they add up over time. Mobile bill pay eliminates these expenses entirely, putting more money back into your pocket. Then there's enhanced organization. With all your bills and payment history consolidated within the Patriot Bank app, you have a clear, digital record of your financial transactions. No more sifting through paper statements or trying to recall if you paid a particular bill. Everything is neatly organized and easily searchable. This digital trail is also incredibly useful for budgeting and tax purposes. Security is another paramount benefit. Patriot Bank employs robust security measures to protect your financial information. When you pay bills through the app, your data is encrypted, significantly reducing the risk of fraud compared to sending payments through the mail, where checks can be intercepted or lost. You're also protected by the bank's fraud detection systems. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.